Welcome to Features Part 3 of the Vimert tutorial. Pressing the Home tab at the corner of the screen takes you to the Start menu. This allows reopening a variety of models and recent projects. The Menu tab next to the Home tab provides some helpful view options related to elements in the model. This includes Show All, Hide, switching to plan color, multi-selection of elements, Escape, Move by mouse, Rotate by mouse, and Ortho mode. The Ortho mode provides a section view with a movable perspective and can be adjusted to give an idea about the details inside elements. When isolating an object, with the Snap option, the user can take snaps of elements' angles to form a vertical and horizontal intersection lines, an intersection point, a second point, and a third point. Each of these points have their coordinates exported from Autodesk Revit and related to the project's base point. A precision device can be used in order to implement certain objects from the model.